Heck yeah. Heck yeah.
Good morning, friends. How's everyone doing out there? It is still blackout conditions here in South Padre Island, so we're not able to go live today. But I'm going to turn this video around really quick so it'll be almost live. Okay, today is February 16th. It is 7 a.m. USDTC 6 Central Time. Good morning. So Bitcoin, we are at 49,717 and 16 cents. And we can move, you see the level of support I have drawn here was based on the 30-minute time frame. Let's go up here and get our resistance. And we are banging on 50,000. So we did break through earlier on this last candle. We got up to 50,645 BTC USD. We have support at, we're looking at first layer of support at 48,661. And then we have a secondary support level down at 47,593. We have good strong volume coming in all of our we have the 12, 26 and the 100-day moving averages are on in alignment for some upside. So fingers crossed the bulls will push through today, and let's see us get through the 50,000. Moving on to our leaders, we have BTT USD. And this particular data is coming from Coinbase. You see that we are sitting right on the 100-day moving average for support. So we'll put you a line on that one. There it is. There, 100-day at 0.0011. And your first level of resistance for BTT USD is going to be up here at 0.0012. Good strong volume. RSI is in good shape. Then moving on to DNT USD. This one's on Coinbase. As you can see, we bounced off the 100-day moving average. We'll put our support level for this particular one for 0.3195. And we have the resistance at 0.340. So tight range here. Once again, the moving averages are all in alignment for upside potential. Look to get through the 0.03, and then your next challenge will be 0.345, and then you've got some running room after that. TRX B USD. This is Tron, and on the Binance data feed, we have support for Tron at 0.05246. First level of resistance to encounter is going to be up around the 0.05381. Look for that levels of resistance, and then the next one is going to be to get through this 100-day. We did get the 1226 cross here, but we're watching the 100-day moving average, hoping it's gonna we're gonna get up to there. And you can see we tried to break through here, met resistance on the 100-day. So keep an eye on that 100-day moving average for Tron. Moving on to LTC USD Litecoin, we have support at, we'll adjust this slightly here, at 213.16. And we have a tightening range and resistance 217.57. So we'll be keeping a good eye on Litecoin. We had a big strong volume candle on the last hour, and then the moving averages are all in alignment for upside potential. The Litecoin looks promising today. If we can break through that 217, second line of resistance is going to be up near the, let's say, just for shits and giggles, 220, even psychological number. CGLD USD, this one's on Coinbase. Looks like we're coming down to test support at right there, that just broke just in front of our eyes there. So we're going to move down to the $4.66 USD will be your support level. And we're going to have a look at the next level of resistance is going to be here at 426. $4.26. That's CGLD. CELO, CELO USD. We're watching a heavy sell volume on this particular one. We got support at the $4.17. And we'll see if that can close out there. Then we're going to have our resistance. First level resistance is going to come into play at right here at 427. MKR USD. We can move our support. As you can see, we had drone there. Managed to get above it. So our first level of support is 2,503.18 USD, and then we're going to look for resistance up to the tune of 2560.52. That was 2560.52. ADA USD. We do have a, as you can see, we did go down and test it right here. So support at, let's see, first level is going to be right at 87.8767 for Cardano, and then we'll do first point of resistance is going to be 0.8970. So keep an eye on this guy. We did get the cross for the 12 and 100. Looks like the 100-day is going to keep going, and we may get the golden cross for potential upside on ADA. EOS. This particular one, our moving averages are all upside down, which means we have the long-term moving average on top, lower-term moving average on the bottom. So this shows some indication of downside potential, unfortunately. So we're going to come down. We're testing support level at 4.776. So we're going to look down for the next level here at $4.72 USD. Coming up to challenge the resistance. So tightening range here as we move into the day. Let's move on to FIL USD. And we can draw our support at $43.64. Then moving on to the first set of resistance to encounter is going to be right at $44.48. If we can push through there, then we would look up at the $44.97, roughly $50 range. Looks like we did try to push through, met some rejection at the moment, but volume is pretty light at the moment, below average, heading into the trading day today. Ethereum Classic, ETC USD. We did establish some support a little bit higher than I had marked previously last night. Then we're going to go in and we're going to try to, yeah, there's quite a bit of resistance in this level right here. So your support level at the moment is 14.677 with a 100-day moving average coming up. And we did head down slightly, almost touched the 100-day. And then we're going to come up to challenge $15.12 resistance. And we'll also have to push through these, the 12 and the 26-day moving average for upside potential. Moving on to Ethereum. We'll flip-flop these around some. Ethereum first level of support is going to be 1786.28. Second level I've got drawn here at 1775.61. And then again, we're bumping into these moving averages, trying to push through those things. So looks like we've tested it a couple of times, maybe another go at it when the bulls wake up. But we do need to get above that region there, 1802.29, then look for the 100-day moving average resistance, and then try to push through there. Volume was pretty heavy last candle on the hourly, so we're early into this candle, so we'll see how just keep an eye on that volume, and keep an eye on Ethereum. IOTA, Internet of Things, we have drawn here. I'm just going to leave this one here. It looks like that was a good level of support. We did get the 26-day across the 100-day moving average, about 7-8 candles back. We have the 12-day moving average now on top, slightly trending downward, above average volume. So very similar to the other altcoins, may have to come back down to retest the $12.25, I should say, and then we're going to go up to look for resistance at first level of resistance we're going to encounter is $1.32 USD. Then you'll have your second layer of resistance there for IOTA. CELO fell through support last night, so we'll need to adjust that one. We got all the moving averages converging above average trading volume. So first level of support for CELO is going to be in this what is that, 0.1313 resistance. Is going to be, this one's getting pretty tight, so let's look for right there maybe. Okay, 0.135. So tightening range, and then just look for these moving averages to start to separate, and keep an eye on the volume. Verge USD. We fell through support that I had marked last night, overnight, and we may need to, there we go, zoom out a little bit. Next level of support would be $1.57 USD, and resistance coming back on the climb up is going to be, we got 1 and 2, roughly that one, yeah, $1.64. So we are inverted. We have the 100-day on top, the 26 in the middle, and the 12-day on the bottom. So there may be some more pain coming with ZRX to the downside. Stellar, we've lost support as well, so we're going to move that down to the 49-cent mark, and then we'll get our first level of resistance, be 50 cent, 0.508, and again, watch to try to push through these moving averages as they are inverted as well. Last hour, basically average volume traded, so nobody's hot on the trail for this particular one. Having a look at Binance coin, BNB USD. We can kind of zoom out and you can see lots of trading activity on this one, and you can usually anticipate that with BNB because it's used on Binance. A lot of people will buy and sell BNB because they use that to get their discount on their trading fees. So very tight range with all the moving averages converging here. We did have above average trading volume last hour. So keep an eye on this one as these moving averages will start to separate in this tightening range. basically just a consolidation range here. We could just about right there. There we go. Support would be 129 and 25 cents, and 132 and 52 cents would be your resistance. IOTA. Oh, we've already covered IOTA, sorry. Stellar, we've covered. GRT USD. We've kind of fell through the previous support. We got some decent support there at the $2.12 range. Again, this is tightening range on this one as well. And very tight actually. So we're going to start with $2.18 USD to get through the roughly 218. Let's do 219. Tightening range here, inverted. Moving averages, and then just slightly above average trading volume. Checking in with DOGE. We did lose support from last night, so we're going to look for next level at 0.0563 and resistance at 0.0593. So tight range there. We have some way to go to get up to the 100-day moving average. And then, like I said, we're going to need to get some clarity on these two lower moving averages. Above average trading volume on DOGE. And that just about does it for me. Let's have a look at the BTC shorts real quick. And then hopefully we can flip over there. Let's see. We did see a short. I was tracking it last night. There was some shorts piled in on us. But fortunately, it didn't work out. Where's my BTC shorts? Here we go. Yeah, this is like, ouch. So basically, you can see they covered mighty fast. This particular one may have been even a short squeeze where someone got caught, covered, and then that's where. So that was, yeah, that would have been painful right there to be short. And what is that range there? That would have been a to the downside. We're looking at if they didn't get out there. That was a 36.5% drop. So you would have been in some serious pain if you were 10x leveraged on the short side BTC. Well, folks, that wraps it up for me. I'm going to rush up and get this posted up for you. Please check out the video, like, subscribe, ring that bell so you can get updates, and hopefully we'll get sorted out here with electricity and internet and all those good things that we normally have pretty soon. Until then, folks, thank you. Have a great day.